All right, let's look at the homework 3, problem number 14. All right, so let's evaluate this limit. All right, so using the limit property, so if you have a limit of a quotient, we can take the limit of the numerator, so 5 minus f of x. Assuming that, given that the limit exists. So here, as x approaches 3, then you take the limit of the denominator separately. So limit as x approaches 3 of x plus g of x, right? And once you've done that, since you have subtraction, we can basically distribute the limit. So you're going to do a limit of constant 5 as x approaches 3 minus take the limit of f of x as x approaches 3 and divided by, right, then you do the same thing, limit of x as x approaches 3 plus limit of g of x as x approaches 3, right? Then we should know every single limit here, right? Limit of a constant is the same constant, so you get 5, right? Minus, right, limit of f of x as x approaches 3 is given to be negative 7, so it's negative 7 is given, right? Right? Limit of x as x approaches 3. X is approaching 3, so x is going to approach 3, right? So limit is 3. Plus limit of g of x is given to be 7, right? So what you get is 7 plus 5 plus 7 is 12, divided by 3 plus 7 is 10. Right, so both numbers are even numbers, so divide by 2, so you get 6, divide by 2, 5, so it's 6/5, right? Let's type it in, right? 6/5. Check the answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.